Hi everyone, Brad here. Welcome to Airstream of Utah. Today, I'm going to give you a tour on everything that we currently have available sitting on the lot. And I'm going to start with the one I'm standing in. This is a 2019-27 front bed International Serenity. Very beautiful model and priced to take home and get you on your next adventure. Let's check it out. Starting up here at the front in your bedroom, I'm sitting on this very comfortable, very spacious queen-size bed. I have plenty of space on both sides of the bed to stand and do whatever, getting dressed or just moving around. It's a very spacious bedroom. On this wall is a TV that's adjustable. You can adjust it for viewing angle depending on where you are in the bed. On this wall, it's an empty wall. It's ready for you to decorate as you see fit. Up top, you see the sliding doors for the storage compartments up top, and then on both sides of the bed you have a nightstand table with storage underneath, and then you have storage underneath this bed. You have a pull down box here and two Tupperware containers on each side to store things in. Next is the bathroom. I'm standing in here. It's very spacious. I have this wonderful lift up mirror with a shelf here. Plenty of counter and storage space in here. Standing here in the hallway, I have a dual closet with plenty of space and storage up top. I have this giant pantry on this side, so this is an open cabinet here. And you have a pull-out pantry with a microwave in it. And you have the rest of your pull-out pantry down here for storage, whatever you need to put in there. You see this very large, very nice refrigerator here, freezer. This is still the propane and electric refrigerator. You have a little spice rack, I like to call it, up top. Standing here in your kitchen, you have a 3-burner cooktop with a gas oven. Plenty of storage up top. Range hood. Drawer space down here is quite nice. You have 3 drawers and an open storage compartment down below. Then you have this very deep, nice sink with a cutting board on top and a nice window here. Here in this lounge seating area, one, I love this bank of windows behind me and this bank of windows over here. 2, this couch is very comfortable. This pulls out to a bed should you need it. This table drops down to a bed should you need it. And I have my TV right here for viewing everything I need. I have a radio, DVD player up top. This rig has been exceptionally maintained and is in very, very good condition. And it's ready for you to take on your next adventure. Let's go see the other models we have. Also have this 2014 27-foot front bed queen bed. This rig has been exceptionally maintained and it's a beautiful model and it's priced to go. The features in it are very similar to what you saw before with a microwave here in the compartment, 3-burner cooktop and gas oven. It has the same storage compartments underneath the bed. Very comfortable, very beautiful seating area. This model could make you a wonderful place to take your family on an adventure. It sleeps sick. One of my other favorite models we have on the lot here is this 2016 25-foot rear bed, twin bed, flying cloud model. This, I don't know what it is about this model, but the leather that they put in here is super soft and these seats are extra comfortable compared to every other model I've ever been in. Exceptionally maintained and ready for you to take on your next adventure. These twin beds offer plenty of walk-around space in here, enough room for you to get dressed in here in the middle. You have storage compartments on the side, a closet over here, and 2 storage compartments back behind me, plus storage underneath the beds. This model also has one of the more spacious bathrooms of any model that Airstream makes. Are you looking for luxury for 2 people to take wherever you go? This 24-foot Interstate GT Grand Touring is your model. The bed in the back is gigantic. The seats up front are Mercedes comfortable. And this model is easily maneuverable to get wherever you need to go. Next is this 2021 Interstate 19. Very gently used, exceptionally clean, wonderful model for you to take home today. Are you someone who likes to live the island life? Maybe this Atlas is for you. This is the Airstream version of the wide body. It has a slide out right here and this Murphy bed. TV comes up out of the cabinets here. This is outfitted with all the things about the beach, and it has the beach color theme inside. You have a giant bathroom with a walk-in shower back there, huge closets, very good counter space here, and a comfortable Mercedes chassis. This is a 2021 model and is ready for you to take on your next adventure. We also have this brand new 2022 Interstate 19 with a light colored interior. You can check out the entire walkthrough of this rig on our YouTube channel. We also have this 2022 Caravelle 19 corner bed. This rig is small and nimble. It can be towed by most vehicles. It's a perfect model with plenty of floor space in it to be such a small rig. Last but not least is one of my favorite models Airstream makes, the Basecamp 20X. This is a 2021 model. It has the green interior and it is immaculately maintained and ready to go off-grid with you on your next adventure. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me today for this walkthrough on all of our currently available models. If you have any questions about any of these models, check out our website, airstreamofutah.com, and you can see pictures, facts, data, and everything else you need to know about them. Better yet, we'd love to meet you and show you around all these models should you want to come by. Have a great day, everyone, and happy adventures.